Today, I want to talk about you being that friend to yourself. Now, that is so important, and I think ये जो एक चीज़ है, ये मुझे दिन में कितनी ही बार याद आती है, मैं बार-बार अपने आप को रिमाइंड करती हूँ और आई थिंक अभी मैं इस पर ही काम कर रही हूँ कि कैसे मैं अपनी सबसे अच्छी साथी, सबसे अच्छी दोस्त बन सकती हूँ, जहाँ हम बाहर देखते हैं, दूसरे लोगों पर निर्भर होते हैं उस सपोर्ट के लिए, उस पुश के लिए, उस एनकरेजमेंट के लिए, उस मोटिवेशन के लिए, क्या वो मैं खुद को दे सकती हूँ? राइट? तो आज मैं इसी पर बात करना चाहती हूँ कि ये कितना ज़रूरी है और इसके अभाव में क्या होता है? और अगर ये हो, तो क्या होगा? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are new videos published here every day. Great. So, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि आप अपने अंदर जो मिसिंग है या अपने आप को खोजने के लिए बाहर सपोर्ट ढूंढते हो? पेरेंट्स हैं, स्पाउस हैं, बच्चा है, रिलेटिव्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, कोई मुझे ये बता दे कि मेरी वर्थ क्या है, कोई मुझे रिमाइंड करा दे एक बार कि यस आई ऑल्सो कैन डू इट, मैंने किया है, राइट? कोई मुझे वो पुश दे दे, इनकरेज कर दे, कोई मुझे बोले कि नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं, अभी रिलैक्स कर, अगर तुझे अगर ओवरवेल्म हो रहा है तो रुक जा, इट्स ओके टू पॉज, right? It's okay to go at this pace. This is okay, that is okay, it's all fine, सब हो जाएगा. ये जो भी कुछ है, ये सब हम बाहर ढूंढते हैं. अब वो कभी मिलता है, कभी नहीं मिलता है, किस मात्रा में मिलता है, किस क्वालिटी में मिलता है, ये भी सब चैलेंज है ना? और जो बाहर से हम चाहते हैं ताकि एक सर्टन वे में हम फील कर सकें, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, मैं अपने उस दर्द से, उस चैलेंज से, उस इशू से बाहर आ पाऊँगा, वो हो नहीं पाता क्योंकि जैसा हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो होता नहीं है. तो कैसा हो कि वो जो फ्रेंड है जो एकदम आपके साथ में है, आप जैसा चाहते हो वैसा आपको ट्रीटमेंट दे सकता है, आप उसके साथ अपना कनेक्ट बनाओ. और वो साथी, वो फ्रेंड और कोई नहीं है, आप खुद. Now just imagine if you could give all of this to yourself, that love, that support, that encouragement, those reminders, right, that it's all fine, it's going great, you've done this in the past, you can do this again, this is happening, and constantly when you're in doubt, reminding you of what you've done, what you're capable of, what you're up to, connecting with you, with your purpose. So having somebody outside who does that for you constantly versus you connecting with the friend that you have within you, or you being that friend to yourself, and every time you're stuck, you remind yourself, hey, I've done that in the past. ये तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैंने इतने लोगों को सर्व किया है, मैंने इतने लोगों की जिंदगी बदल दी है. क्योंकि ये सेल्फ डाउट, ये मोमेंट्स ऑफ फीलिंग स्टक, ये सब बार बार आएगा. और अगर मैंने अपने आप से दोस्ती कर ली, राइट, एंड ये सब कुछ मैं अपने आप को प्रोवाइड करने में सक्षम हूँ, आएंगे मोमेंट्स जब मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, दैट्स ओके, जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर रिलेशनशिप, that's going to happen here, which is fine. But if I can do that most of the times, if I can be aware that I'm giving this to myself and I can steer myself out of those challenges or of those low moments or of the times where I need that push and I'm able to give it to myself, I can tell you it's going to be super powerful. Yes, you will have to do that work. Yes, you will have to get aware and do it consciously. You will have to have your structures around this whole system you'll have to create so that you can remind yourself again and again. How can you be friends with yourself? You need to have that, the tools and structures. You'll have to figure out different ways and means of doing it. But, and I'm using the word but here, but once you start doing that, I can tell you, you will love it. You'll start enjoying it. Yeah. And I'm not asking you to be alone, to cut off from everybody outside कि अब तो मेरी खुद से दोस्ती हो गई, मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No, that's not what I'm saying. That's not what I mean. All I'm saying is that which is outside is the icing on the cake, right? लेकिन जो आपकी दोस्ती खुद से है, that is the foundation, right? अगर वो है, तो imagine you don't have to depend on anybody. All you want is that every moment you are in a state of mind which is like, right? और अगर वो मेरे ही हाथ में है, मेरे पास हर पल मेरी ही दोस्ती है, which will take me there, which will remind me, which will steer me, which will push me, motivate me, then imagine I'm not dependent on anybody else. And what I'm getting from others, that love, that support, that friendship outside, is a bonus. And we love bonuses, don't we? So that's what I wanted to say. So just give it a thought. Can you be that friend to yourself? Can you be that friend to yourself? Yeah. If the answer is yes, yeah, and you're willing to explore that, you're willing to reflect upon that, then go ahead and start by writing down, figuring out for yourself, how will you give that support to yourself? By figuring out how you've done in the past, thinking of those moments where you've given that support to yourself, and now starting to get aware every time you're stuck, not waiting for anybody outside to help you, you giving that help to yourself, right? And I would love to hear from you. I would love to support you, help you on that. Please write into me in the comment box, whatever your experiences are, wherever you feel you need support, you feel stuck. I would love to hear from you and help you in whatever way I can, right? Help you to connect and build that friendship with yourself. I hope you found this meaningful and you could really think, where do you stand today, and you could reflect upon what I was saying. And if you found it meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.